Nagdagan mo pa ng tap na
Walang, tsaka.
Jaybird. O, Tropa. Tumira sa 3 points. Wala. Oh, basket. Points by Jaybird.
Pinsa, apat na lang ako.
Tropa. To Jaybird. Tapping on that. Akinde.
And to shoot!
Magaling. Watak ball, Tropa. Double na 4 points. Balik sa number 3. Tumira sa 3 points. Tapos. Rebound play. Tumatakbo ang Unilode.
Nice,
Nice basket by Muhammad. 5-19, 6-point lead by Unilode. Jaybird. The number 3, tumira sa 3 points. Wala. Rebound play by Muhammad. Fast break. Basket and one. Basket.
Para.
Go. Angat ka lang, no? Angat ka lang.
Sige.
Jaybird, sumaksak. Basket by Jaybird. 28-21, 7-point lead by Unilode Solution. Balik to Muhammad. Jumper by Muhammad. Wala, rebound play. Ball by Tropa. Matakbo Tropa. Block by Muhammad. Tumira sa 3 points. Wala, rebound play by Muhammad.
And to shoot! Nice one. Retro.
Ball Troy lang, backcourt. 23. Under goal, wala. Naagaw ni Ramos. Number 3. Wala.
Ball!
Ball by number 12. Adahar to Muhammad, back to Adahar. Ready 3. Basket, wala. Layo. Jump ball. Adahar. Dribbling the ball. To number 23. Back. Oh! Another interception by Jaybird. Wow. Ramos to number 3. Back to Ramos. Ramos brought to the basket. Naagaw. Ramos, jumper, wala. Rebound by. Bro. Akit niya.
Glenn, ito ka dyan, Glenn!
Nice, Matt! Kuha. Easy!
Julian. To number 6. Jumper by number 6. Wala. Rebound by Ramos. To Jaybird. Of Tropa. Jaybird tumatakbo. High control by Tropa. Number 27. Balik kay Jaybird. Guarded by Arco. Jumper by Jaybird. Wala. Rebound play. Top to number 27. 27. Jumper, wala. Rebound by Uniload.
Balat!
Tumatakbo ang Uniload. Wala. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Second throw by Adahar. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Cornelio. To Jaybird.
Harap.
Jaybird to Ramos. Ramos. Blood to the basket. Wala. Rebound by Ramos. Wala. Unilo. 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Julian, tumira sa 3 points. Tapos. Rebound by Tropa. Tumatakbo ang Tropa. Wala. Angko. Shooters 2 to 25. Uniload 7-point lead. Jaybird of Tropa. Okay.
Angat.
Tropa, tumira sa 3 points. Wala. Rebound play by Mohamed again.
Easy.
Pass to Angko. Tumatakbo si Angko of Uniload. Back to Mohamed. Tap out. Rivera. Andy Rivera.
Steve Rivera.
Under Gustav. Foul. First throw by Adahar. Basket again. The bottom. A 9-point lead now by Uniload team. Tropa. Tumasaksak. Bigay kay Jaybird.
Huli.
Pass to Cornelio. Cornelio, tumaksak. Wala. Rebound by Mohamed. Angko, leading the ball for Uniload. Pass to Adahar. Back to Angko. To Julian. Back to Angko.
Screen.
And to shoot.
Then to shoot. Julian, tumaksak. Run to the basket. Wala. Rebound by Cornelio.
Harap.
To Rivera. Rivera. Rivera sa 3 points. Wala. Jaybird. To Bolo. Back to Jaybird. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Rivera. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Adahar. Adahar to Julian.
Easy lang, alam mo tayo.
To Angko.
Set ball.
Beautiful screen by this screen by Angko.
Tama mo sila.
3-point shot. Tropa, wala. Rebound by Angko. Tumatakbo na naman ang Uniload. Tatlo. Wow. Sorry, miss by Uniload. Cornelio. Rebound by Adahar.
Nice not.
Nice try by Mohamed. 25 seconds. Cornelio. Basket. 27 to 36. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.